Alright, just a quick video. About to give y'all a cold start. Well, it's not really a cold start because it's hot as shit. But the car been sitting for probably like 10 hours. So it's about close to I'm gonna get to it because it's summertime. And let's go ahead and crank it up, rev it a couple times. Mind you, when I crank it up, it's gonna start in eco mode. And then I'm gonna switch to the track mode before I start revving it. So I'm gonna crank it up, let it idle in track mode for a little bit, and I'm gonna rev it about 3 or 4 times so you can hear what it sounds like now. Alright, so that's basically what it sounds like. You heard it. Should be popping and shit now. It's definitely way louder. Once it get like colder and shit, I'll do another cold start. Now I also make a video, you know, with flybys and all that with the different speeds like I did with the original mid muffler delete I did a couple months ago. But that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here getting